na gawin. Pero, ako naiyak. Gusto ko lang magpakita ng bago. At sa mga nagsasabing, hindi ako marunong sa ganitong klaseng role. Ito na yun. So, I want to prove all of them wrong. And that I can do more than what they know. So, thank you talaga sa Dreamscape. And of course, si Pao din naman, malaking tulong din siya dahil kita ko naman yung respeto niya sa akin. And sa mga director namin na inaalagaan yung mga shots and yung mga cameramans namin, sa mga nag-iilaw, ang ganda ng launching ng body ko. Thank you so much. And sa nag-choreo sa akin, thank you. Sa gym trainers ko, thank you so much. Pero more than the skin, it's parang more than the skin, it's what's inside me and what I want to show to all my supporters. And kung kakaroon man ng bagong supporters, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Kim.
Actually, gustong ikwento at sa mga ganitong paraan kailangan dahil kung nagbebenta naman talaga ng aliw yung character, ang hirap naman kung hindi mo nakikita or napapanood at hindi na ipapakita sa audience na hindi niya ginagawa yan. So it comes with also the maturity of the actress. Pero mas character-driven po ito. At kami po dito ay very loyal and very dedicated. How do I call it?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
From J of Certified Kapamilya ito.
Worst alibi.
Tapos ano daw, how did you respond?
Worst alibi. Ang sagot na, hindi ko alam. Yeah, that's super worst. Ba't mo ginawa kung hindi mo alam? Tapos pag yung respondent is, yung sagot ko ay, wala, hindi ko na kausap yung tao. Yes. Yung tatanungin mo, bakit ka hindi ko alam. Di ba nakaka-irita yun? So wala na, iniwan ko na lang. Bakit parang may
Hindi ba dapat? Okay. Ngayon naman, kay Sam, by the way, very great performance.
Thank you.
Ano ang sagot mo sa what was
Yes.
the worst alibi that you've ever heard in your life and how did you respond?
I actually don't know. I can't think of anything. I don't think I've been put in a situation where I've heard an alibi na parang, wala akong maisip actually. I'm so sorry. I know that's...
Okay,
Pero wala akong maisip eh.
Mag-sorry ka kay J of Certified.
Jay, I'm so sorry. Wala akong maisip ngayon. I'm so sorry, Jay.
Naiilang ka rin at natatakot ka para sa eksena mo at para sa sarili mo. And kung hindi naman, kung medyo intense, like yung mga scenes namin sa Sofia, natatakot ka rin kung nasasaktan mo ba sila dahil yun yung instruction ng director, yung nakasulat sa script. Siyempre, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko, dun lagi ako naiilang. Kung along the way, dito sa proseso at sa pag-arte ko, kung na-alienate ko ba or nasasaktan ko or maybe nararamdaman ba ng ka-eksena ko na napapastos ko sila in some way. So, as much as possible, I try my best to talk to them first a bit or show them what I'm gonna do pero ayun, yun lagi yung kinakatakot ko. Doon ako naiilang palagi. And I'm sure pag naiilang ako, naiilang rin yung ka-eksena ko. So,
Thank you, Pao, for being candid about your experiences so far. Kim, baka anything to add?
Wala naman siguro hindi may ilang pag mga ganun. Parang kasi nungalingan, anong alibi mo? Sabi mong hindi. Pero nailang pa rin. Kahit na kami ni Pao pang-apat na project namin. Pero iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa namin. So, iba-ibang intensity. So, parang nakakahiya. Mukha lang kaming dalawa sa screen, pero napakadami po talaga namin. Parang ganito. So, mga ganun. Siyempre, nakakailang, nakahiya. Pero, since professional ang bawat isa sa amin. So, ganun. Diba, no?
Follow-up question, Kim.
Stella. Nagmakaawa. Pero, iba-iba naman, dito naman sa mundo ng showbiz, ang daming characters na pwede mong i-play. It's up to you na lang kung paano mo siya gagampanan at depende na rin sa pagkakasulat at pagkakagawa.
Thank you, Kim. Aya?
Ngayon naman from me.
Meron din akong takot, syempre, tungkol sa emotion, because acting is a lot of emotions, right? So, you really have to be there on the set, and hindi joke ko nga sa family ko, sorry, hindi ako masyado, I'm not in touch with you, medyo may method ako ng konti. Kasi meron ako ditong pamilya. So, sila yung inaasikaso ko, sila yung... So, napakadali din pala kapag nasa set ka, like we were in Cebu. It was easy to slip into your character. And we even say, oh, we miss Cebu when we see it. We miss our home, we miss, di ba? Ang bahay po namin ay isang resort actually. Ganun kami kayaman. Pag naiisip ko tong pamilyang to, and years from now, I will always treasure this memory. Kasi napaka-special po talaga.
Oh, thank you very much, Ms. Shasha. To you, Sam Milby, how was it?
Very different para sa akin. This is the first time I'm doing a role na within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento, yung relationship with yung mga ibang cast members, the characters, ang daming revelations. So it's a great character, but it was really exciting. It was really fun to do.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. And now to
For that question. More than anything, I just want to say that I'm truly honored to be part of such a beautiful cast. And more than anything, every cast member was so good at slipping into their role na parang bilang artista or actor sa set, hindi mo na kailangan pumasok sa character kasi makikita mo silang lahat. Nagiging totoo na yung set eh. So with such amazing directors then giving such clear targets, thank you so much na this whole project para sa akin, it just became a walk in the park dahil parang nabuhay si Matthew Cabrera dahil sa mga actors sa paligid ko. So as a part, as a member of this cast, sobrang honored lang ako, super grateful, and the trust from Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, of course Prime Video, and all my cast members and my two directors. I really enjoyed this role. And I think in the coming episodes, you'll just see more fun from all the characters getting deeper and deeper talaga.
Thank you so much. Migs, parang nakakatakot palang mag-step sa set. Kasi coming...
Well, yun nga, you mentioned that this is our teleserye debut. And a fun fact for everyone actually, the first scene I ever took with Kuya Pao was the first scene I took as an actor in my life. So, sobra talaga akong kinabahan. I mean, as you guys can imagine, right? I was in front of Kuya Pao and in my head I'm like, oh my goodness, it's Paolo Avellino in front of me with all the lights and the camera, and I was so nervous, but at the same time, as a fresh actor, I feel so incredibly blessed because during the lock-in cycles, we got to establish certain dynamics, relationships with each cast member. I felt so privileged na halimbawa magkakaroon kami ng medyo mahabang kwento session with Sir John. Tapos, before I know it, I'm being given such, valuable wisdom, such Easter eggs of information and knowledge about acting that I'll surely carry on for the rest of my life. So thank you for that. And of course, with Angelina, it was a very intimidating experience. But dahil magkasama kami ni Angelina, even from workshops, lagi po kami magkasama sa mga eksena. Having a buddy there, someone beside me, is really helpful and made me much more comfortable. So, yeah.
Thank you, Angelina and Robbie.
Bye ka na kay Paolo. Sorry.
Hindi ka balik kay Davao Digital Productions. Anong tanong niya?
Sorry.
Mas maganda ka doon.
Tagabasa lang talaga ako. So, ang kanyang tanong ay may times ba raw na nag-alibay ka raw na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation. Same question with Paolo. Nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? Tapos all caps, please share the situation? Question mark. Double question mark. So again, may times ba na nag-alibay ka na kay Paolo dahil sa isang situation? Same question with Paolo, nag-alibay ka na ba kay Kim? All caps, please share the situation. Double question mark. From Alan Sancon. Hindi po sa akin. Salamat.
Alibay? Actually, mababaw lang naman ang mga ano namin ni Pao. Kasi, mahilig kasi ako sa chichirya. Tapos, yung mga damit ko kasi dito, midrib, Ita-chan. Tapos, minsan, binibreakfast ko yung chichirya. Babaw, no? Pero, siya kasi, sabi niya, laki ng tiyan mo. Kaka-chichirya mo yan eh. So, minsan, parang nagka-crave ako ng chichirya. So, nag-alibay ako. Sabi ko, hindi ako hindi ako chichirya. Pero may nakatabi dun sa gilid. Ano to? Ha? Huli? Ganun lang kasimple. As in, hindi yan sa akin. Hindi ano. Pero sa akin talaga, kasi meron mga crumbs sa kuko ko eh. Ganun lang.
Tsaka pag late ka, ang dami mong alibay.
Boy! Pag-usapan natin!
Sa akin naman, ako, wala eh. Ako wala akong inaalibay kay Kim kasi puro katotohanan ang sinasabi.
Hello! Thank you po! Please watch November 7.
Whether it's in a good way or kamalian ko, di ba? Parang sasabihin ko naman kung mali ako.
Maraming salamat. Kim Pao, isang hiyawan naman para sa Kim Pao. Diba? Ngayon na lang natin sila nakita ng ganito. At
Oh, my love will make you disappear. At ito, I can thank everyone for your support, to everyone supporting us, not just here in the Philippines, globally, and also to our friends from the press. Maraming salamat. Walang humpay po yung tulong na ginagawa nyo. At kung di ho dahil sa inyo, hindi ho kami patuloy nabibigyan ng proyekto at bibigyan ng mga karakter at storya na maikukwento namin sa inyo. So maraming salamat.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. I hope we can spread the word kung ano po ang laman ng The Alibay. At ayan nga po, mag-download na ng Prime Video app dahil doon lamang po ito mapapanood. Simula na po yun this November 7, 2 episodes every Friday po yan. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga supporters namin na nanonood ngayon online.
Our media pawn of The Alibay muli. Ako po si Mix.
and this has been Aya Fernandez.
And of course, this has been the Grand Media Con of The Alibay. Ingat po, good evening.